Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 missing executable error on PC. So let's go through the video and check out the complete methods. So the first method is to restart Steam. For that, you need to go to Steam app, then click on Steam option over here and then click on exit. Once done, restart your PC and again log into your Steam app and then try to launch the game and check if the error is resolved. If not, the second method is to run Steam as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select the game, right click on it, select properties. Now click on install files. After that, click on browse. This will take you to the page where your game has been installed. Simply click on game, then here, and select the game, right click on it, select the properties. Now click on compatibility tab and then from here simply click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Once done, try to launch the game and then check if the error is resolved. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you need to go to Steam, under library section, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, then install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. After the game files has been verified, now try to launch the game and check if the error is resolved. If not, next solution suggested is to change Steam's download region. This has been effective method for many users, as after changing the region, the issue has been resolved. So what you have to do is simply go to Steam, right, click on Steam, then click on settings over here, click on downloads, and from here you can see download region. Here you need to change the region, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, the next solution suggested is to check for Windows updates. For that, simply go to the search option, click on check for updates, and then here you need to click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, install the latest version and then try to play the game. Hopefully this solution will work. If not, you need to clear Steam's download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam, now click on settings, then click on downloads, and after that go down and then click on clear cache option. This will clear the download cache of the app, and after that try to play the game and check if this solution works. Next solution is to make sure you have enough storage space. It's also an important step suggested. You should make sure that your system has enough storage to download the game and play it without any performance issue. So make sure that there is enough storage and then try to play the game. The next solution is to disable antivirus software. So if you have any antivirus software installed on your PC, kindly disable it and then try to launch the game. Many a times the antivirus stops the game from running. So it's better once you disable it and then try to launch the game, and hopefully this will resolve the issue to game. So the next solution is to reinstall Counter-Strike 2 game. For that, you simply need to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it and then click on manage and then click on uninstall option, and after that once again you need to click on uninstall option over here. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then once again reinstall the game on your PC and then try to relaunch it. Now check if the issue you are facing has been resolved or not. So all these are some of the best solutions suggested to fix the error missing executable in Counter-Strike 2 game. So that's all for now. Thank you.